like this is the best, not large.
And I put on me a little bit more clothes because up on a mountain can be a little bit colder than here. I charged yesterday all batteries because we are off grid. We don't have electricity. Bitch, bitch. I still must stop to buy some screws. And then we go up on mountain. I get screws and I'm a little bit late. I hope my friend don't wait me too long. I am in location now and I will start level all pallets. I will start here on the top where is the lowest, and then I will go one by one pallet to finish. Morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Okay.
Oh my god.
You?
Great.
Perfect.
Wow, wonderful weather.
Yeah. Can you give me a water level?
Yeah.
Thanks. First one here because here is 0. Okay. You wanna put later on line? Yes.
We put that a second?
Yeah. I can screw together, you know, and then we can move all complete line.
Yeah. Look here, we need to put some we have something here. Ah, okay, this was.
Where is my water level? I was searching all the time. Tools. Yeah, I need more time for make something or for searching tools.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. We must go a little bit up.
Up?
Yeah, that's 0.
Oof.
Yeah,
Okay.
will be around half meter.
Yeah, poof. Okay.
You see?
Wow. It's a big.
Yeah.
I don't have stone like this. Yeah.
Yeah, you have all this.
Yeah, I know, but no, I mean, yeah.
You have a line there?
Yeah. Line, yes. Yeah. That is good, but now begin to move.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
strong one.
Hmm?
I'm just curious how long will be
The battery,
yeah.
Okay.
Actually, small machine. I didn't
Okay,
using.
then-
Maybe I was using 10 hours.
Okay, then you need small thing. Okay. Now it's better.
What's happened?
Scary. It's good, perfect.
Maybe a little bit.
New piece.
Huh?
New piece of wood.
Alex, let's go support now. Here, where was on?
Yeah, I put what I can.
See, it was too low for. Hammer. Searching again. Or if I
No more. Directly the stone.
or if I put on wood, because it will be hard to find because was maybe like this, but this is artwork, Alex.
Yeah. The stone break.
was I think you know what was wrong. That one pallet was go like this. For this is you see.
Go down, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see. But
Yeah, it's okay. We wanna live like this.
yeah,
Can go a little bit down. Yeah, it's okay.
huh?
Okay. I will screw first only one,
Okay.
and later I will go screw this all together, you know? Just we make line from everything from the middle. Alex, this machine was perfect.
It's good, huh? If can help you with the work, it's fantastic.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Oh, stay very good.
But will be high.
Yes, we will see what we can do. we put 2 lines. We put the next one here, the last one.
Yeah, we will put big stones.
The last one we will see. The last one will be.
Or you have red line and blue line. Today you sit on blue line or red line.
Okay.
No,
too high?
Yeah.
Okay. Very good.
You think so?
Yeah, of course. Why not?
But that stone looking here a little bit dangerous.
Which one?
That one.
That one?
Yeah.
But no, don't worry. Because we put down more.
Yeah.
Yeah? Then we'll be
We can put all around
or we put
outline.
stones. Yeah.
We can
Yeah.
close. This is how we support this pallet deck. Okay, it's not very professional, but will be.
We'll be professional. Man.
Yeah, will be professional when will be finished.
Yeah. Will be perfect. Let's see.
Okay, Alex, this is perfect.
No? It's good like this.
Yeah. You are prepared?
Okay. Okay, finish.
That's it. Push a little bit there.
Finish.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, wow. Wow. Okay, this
Yeah?
Yeah, of course. Okay.
And now big guns. Okay.
This is go another one down.
What happened?
I put one, another one go down. Because there are two. Just one, but I try to.
It's good?
Very good.
Guys, we are finished with deck, with pallet deck. I think we are very fast because we started around 11.
Yeah.
And you save us.
1 o'clock is now.
Yeah, we start at 11 a.m. and it's 1 p.m. and
2 hours.
yeah, and deck is finished. Okay, it was a simple way to. We didn't complicate it a lot, but was very steady. Jump a little bit, Alex.
It's very stable, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Nothing moving.
Yeah.
Yeah? Very, very good. And you can stay like this, yeah?
Yeah.
And enjoy the ocean view.
Yeah. We have nice meal
Yeah.
on new pallet deck, and Alex, you are happy with?
Very happy. Very good job, and we was very fast. This is important. Yeah. You can do the same. Yeah. In one day you can finish, and you have a nice.
Yesterday we need 1, 2, 3 hours for bring pallets here.
Yeah.
And today we need maybe maximum 2.5 hours for everything.
Let's see, 3 hours.
Yeah.
And we finish. In 3
together,
hours we eating.
Together, yeah, it will be longer eating when we'll walk. And everything together, you can make on 2 guys 6 hours.
Yeah.
Bring pallets.
Yeah.
And make together.
And you have a nice.
But was very simple support and. Yeah. Okay, Alex, I'm happy.
I'm happy too. Let's see the next one when we grow with the roof. Yeah. This will be a very, very difficult one.
You think so?
Oof, very difficult.
You think? I know. I will tell you. I think a roof will be faster than that.
No. It's impossible. Yeah.
No?
I think we need 2 weeks for the roof. Let's see how fast we are.
Okay. Guys, question of the video. What you wanna see? Face like this, baby face, or you wanna see face with beard, man face? I just wanna know. This is question of the video. Alex, look at Alex. What, Alex? Okay.
It's not important.
Yeah, it's important.
It's important the construction.
Yeah.
The work.
Yeah. And guys, this support put and every construction you will see in next video. Thank you very much for watching and see you in next one. Bye.
Hey, adios.